they send it in. Stopped behind the net by Elliott. Sergachev had his clearing tip deflected up and into the air. Now here comes Hagel. Shorthanded Hagel scores! Short-handed goal by Brandon Hagel, their first of the season, and it is 5-2.
Brandon Hagel has been brilliant in this game. Watch this fake dump in that fools Ekholm. Ekholm lets up a little bit, and all of a sudden, Hagel cuts back into the middle. What great misdirection here. He has had his motor going 100 miles an hour all night long. But on that backhand, he just tucked it in, but he paid it off with the great shot.